You're welcome. Today I'm going to introduce you to Pixellab application. So this is introduction to Pixellab application, and I'm going to start from the work, place, workspace. So this place from here to here, this is um, your drawing space. This is where you are supposed to make your designs. It's going to be according to the size you want. This size here is I think 1280 pixels per 1280 pixels, I believe so. So this is a square shape and this is a default size. So if you want to change the size, there's actually a way you can do that. So this is where you're expected to make your designs. This is how your design is going to be like. This will be the size of the design depending on the size you've chosen. So this plus sign here, this place affords you the opportunity to we have a text. You can add text, have the current date, shows you the current dates, as the date of the day maybe you are making a design or whatever. Then we have a couple of stickers. We have shapes here, very important shapes, though not all shapes are included, but from the shapes that are given, you can as well manipulate your own shape from them. Then from gallery affords you the opportunity to bring in your photos for design and all of that. Then to draw helps you to draw manually on Pixellab. And then the other button next to it is the save button. So you either save as a project or you save as an image. You save as a project, you can go back to it. For example, if you come down here, you are going to see my projects. So if you click it, these are the works that I've saved as my own projects. So these are my projects, some of the things I've designed with the Pixellab application. So that is that. Then the next button is share button. You can as well share to Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or whatever social media platform you are in, or you can save to gallery as well, just as you can do with this save button. The next to it is quotes. So this quotes, you can choose any quote you want to choose and then maybe make a design for it, or however you want to do it. This one over here, I'll just explain a few things here. This from gallery, this from use image from gallery. Yes, so you can as well bring image full screen, shows you your design without the other tools on Pixellab. Only just your design will come out the way depending on the size of the screen of your phone, whether tablet or a small Android phone. It will make a full screen, self-explanatory. From camera, if you want to snap and use, you can do that. Export image, just like save image size. So how large or how small do you want the design to be? You can set the size. Contact us, contact developers. Tutorials redirects you to YouTube. Love that. Remove ads. Tutorials remove ads that require network connections. Recover auto save. Yes, you can do that. Open PLP file. Yes, or PLP files the actually files like the ones in my project. So you can do that. Open them and then edit. About the application developers, and then exit. Of course, let's do exit. All right, so that about some of this. But oh, sorry, this is a very important button. This one over here, very important. This called the layer button. This layer button shows you the layers of the things you are bringing into your designs, whether photos, whether shapes, whether text. They are arranged in layers. So from the layers, you can actually move and merge them log them and all of that. So we actually a lot of things for me to explain here, but I wish I'll be doing that, as time progresses. All right, we have grid over here. A grid helps you very much in alignment, and you can do your settings and all of that with the grid. Then if you come down here, we have from here to here we have what we call templates. They are already made designs that you can just simply choose and edit. For example, I can just choose this one, and you can decide to edit it. All right, let's check the layer button and see what I was talking about. All right, if you look at the layer button, look at them. So these are the inputs on this design. So you can choose to lock, delete. When you delete, it goes away. So there are actually a lot of things. Okay, you want to make it invisible, you can do that. And you want to edit it, there's you do it over here. So is it to move, is it to change the color, is it to copy, all of them, just rotate, all of them are here. All right, okay, that's just that. So these are templates that you can simply edit and export for yourself. All right, and then beneath from here the editing tools. So the first one is text editing tool. It's active when you choose a text, when you select whenever you select a text, that's when this is visible. All right, okay, right. So there are a lot of buttons, a couple of them that we shall be discussing subsequently. Then the next one is object editing tool, also active when an object is selected. All right, seems this object is locked, so let me unlock it. All right, yes, this is an object, so it's activated. So all the editing tools are active. Most of them are active when your elements are selected. All right, I hope you understand. Then this is background editing tool. So this one has to do with the background. You can choose a color, you can make it transparent, you can change the size of your design, you can customize the size and drop it there, you can crop, you can bring image from your gallery and set it as a background, as well as from your camera if you so wish. Then the last one here is effect editing tool. So this effect editing tool, yes, affects your design also. So you can add some effects if you so wish, noise, you enable it like that. So they are actually things like color brightness. You want to increase the brightness, you want to reduce it, you can do that from the effect editing tool. All right, okay. So the next video we shall be talking about the editing tools one after the other. But this is just an introduction. I want you to subscribe to the channel for more exciting tutorials. We hope to give our best. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and you subscribe. Thank you.